Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on this LP gas grill. I'm going to make a carne asada, so don't you go anywhere. Alright, here's everything that comes in the box. The plates, the legs, and here's the body of the actual grill. And so far so good, pretty sturdy. Here's the little plates just to keep the gas lines clean. Here's another little stainless steel top, and it comes with like a little griddle plate. Here are the legs on assembly. Pretty easy. It comes with the instructions. It comes with one tool, but you might need a cross screwdriver. That's about it. So I'm going to turn the gas on. Pretty simple, guys. Has one grill side, and then it has another plate side, which I love. And I'm going to show you how I utilize it. So I got some chorizo. All right, and we're going to just throw it on the right side. And I like this because it doesn't get the flare-ups, with the chorizo. I like to put olive oil and a little bit of seasoning on our cebollitas, our onions, and then we got some carne asada, some beef, and it's we got it marinated up. And on our grill, we're going to be flipping and turning. And honestly, the food is smelling good. The little grill fits quite a bit. We got a family of 5, and this is more than enough. I'm pretty sure even on a small get-together, this will get the job done. I do like the fact that it has the temperature control, and the temperatures are pretty regulated, meaning, if you close the grill, it holds temperature pretty well. All right, so as you can see, we're getting some nice char on it, and I like this little top rack because I can leave some meat, and I can have some pieces of meat for myself. So now that we're all done, we're going to put it on our board here, which I like to do whenever I'm doing any kind of food or cooking or video. I like to put everything on the board. It just looks great. But anyways, it has a little stand and little table sides on each side of this grill, which is nice. And it has wheels for transporting. So like I said, I really like this grill. If you don't want to take out the big grill, this is a very simple one to use, and it gets the job done. Here I am trying to flare it up on purpose just to get the char on the chorizo, with the grease drippings. So honestly, I'm very satisfied with this grill. Let's go ahead and give this thing a try, but just check it out, guys. All we need is some tortillas, and we're done.
This little grill has came through, and it's making this perfect meat for us. If you guys like this video, it'll be down in the link below. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this grill around. See you guys on the next video.